people, welcome to Wisby Cooks. Today let's prepare Brahmi Leaves chutney. This is one of Ayurvedic leaf which helps in improving memory. Firstly, let's pluck all Brahmi leaves from my little garden and transfer it into a plate. These leaves are easily available in market as well. Now let's wash all Brahmi leaves and chop them properly. Now transfer it into a plate. Take a pan. Pour around 3 tablespoons oil, add some mustard seeds, hing, chana dal, urad dal, dhania, and roast them well. Add some chilies, chopped Brahmi leaves, and give it a mix. Let it cool for some time. Once done, transfer this into a mixie jar. Add some grated coconut and grind it into a fine paste. Let's add some lemon drops and give it a mix. Transfer this paste into a bowl. Tasty, tasty Brahmi chutney is ready. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.